Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite for beginners. First, download the free game from the PlayStation Store and set up your Epic Games account. Once installed, take a moment to get comfortable with your DualSense controller. The left stick controls movement, while the right stick manages your camera view. Press the X button to jump and the square button to reload your weapon. Completing the brief in-game tutorial is a fantastic way to grasp the fundamental controls and objectives before diving into your first match. Now let's talk about the core gameplay loop. When you jump from the battle bus, pick a landing spot that isn't too busy, giving you time to loot. Your main goal is to find weapons, shield potions, and building materials such as wood, stone, and metal. Always keep an eye on the map for the shrinking white circle. This is your safe zone. If you're caught outside, the storm will slowly damage you, so move quickly. When it comes to combat, understanding your weapons is key. You'll find various types, including assault rifles for mid-range, shotguns for close quarters, and sniper rifles for long distances. Practice aiming down sights with the L2 button and firing with R2 to improve your accuracy. A crucial skill is building. Quickly press the circle button to enter build mode. Then use L2 and R2 to place walls or ramps for instant cover during a firefight. To truly master Fortnite, consistent practice is essential. Head into creative mode or Team Rumble to hone your building and shooting skills in a less stressful environment. Playing with friends can also significantly boost your learning curve, as you can coordinate strategies and revive each other. Always be aware of your surroundings. Listen for enemy footsteps or gunfire, and check your minimap frequently. With dedication, you'll see your skills improve dramatically over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.